What is up, T.O.Gs? On our way to take care of the old Super Duke. Trying to figure out who's got the green light here. It's me. I'm gonna do some work, but we're gonna work on today some chain maintenance. So if you've never checked the tension on your chain on your 2014 to 2016 KTM 1290 Super Duke R, we're gonna run through that. And one of the most basic things you can do as far as maintenance goes on your bike is check the tension in your chain, make sure it's clean. So we're going to check the tension, we're going to clean the chain up, get it lubed, and we'll be ready to get back out on the road. So we'll get to that right after this. Well, it took a little bit longer than I thought it would. The sun is almost set, but we've taken care of our chain maintenance on this bike. You know, before I had the Super Duke, my 3 previous motorcycles were all Harley Davidsons who had a belt drive. So chain maintenance is a fairly new thing for me. So very straightforward on the KTM Super Duke. If you own one, if you've got a 2014 to 2016, everything's the same for you. So I'm curious to find out How is maintenance for you guys? Do you guys find it more difficult, less difficult than other bikes that you've owned? And what do you guys think about your Super Duke? I, for one, love this motorcycle. This is my 5th bike, and by far my favorite bike to own, my favorite bike to ride, my favorite bike to maintain. It is just so straightforward, and I'm so thankful for KTM to provide the materials in the form of a owner's and maintenance manual that's just so straightforward. So I'm curious though to get your guys' feedback, because this is my first sport naked bike. So I'm a rookie, and I'm not ashamed to say so. Alright guys, if you like this video or you got something out of it, make sure you hit that thumbs up down there, which is the like button. And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. Guys, if you're out there riding, please be safe. Be kind to one another. My name's Eric. I'm that one guy, and I am